This right here is a pro tip for your analytics. Think about the CTR, click-through rate, and the average view duration. If you go to your reach tab for any video, pick out any video, click reach, and if you scroll to the right, you see that impressions click-through rate. The CTR is how many times your video was clicked on according to the impressions that it received. So the CTR is 1. The second metric of analytics is your average view duration. Now this one right here was a shorter video, 1:29 seconds, but as you see, it has spikes, it has dips. Whenever you see those dips and spikes, you can always take any video, go into your back office, check your analytics. The two main metrics is the CTR and the average view duration. When it comes to all these different softwares and all that, what matters most is which one are you ready to use with confidence because you're familiar with. Maybe you're just getting going real good and you're starting to use different software, starting to grow your channel. I'll put together this playlist, some short, quick power tips and power clips to empower you and inspire you to keep going to the next level. So check out that playlist or the other video on the screen. Either way, you'll be empowered to do great things in your life, and I'm excited to be a part of that. So check out those videos. See me over there. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.